saying from Srimad Bhagavatam, this is Viraha Gita, Gopis' songs of separation and great distress. They're feeling great lamentation over the impending separation from Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Of course, this very popular refrain comes from a famous stotram. It was written by Bilvamangala Thakur about, 900 years ago. Bilvamangala Thakur lived about 900 or 1,000 years ago, very long ago. And he wrote Krishna Karnamrita, which is very famous poems about the beauty of Krishna and the lilas of Krishna and Braj. And Lord Chaitanya very much relished Krishna Karnamrita when he was in Gambhira Leela, the last 6 years of his life, and her manifest presence in Gambhira, in Kashi Mishra's house, in Puri. But Bilvamangala Thakur also wrote a very famous stotram, which is called Govinda Damodar Stotram. And in many, many shlokas there glorifying different devotees of the Lord, the Gopis and Draupadi and Kunti and Arjuna and many, many great devotees, Vaishnavas, in different rasas, even in different rasas with different forms of the Lord, with Vishnu, with Ram, with Krishna. And the refrain of all those different shlokas, the refrain, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. So this refrain is actually, we'll see that this is spoken in a verse from the Srimad Bhagavatam in this chapter 39. 39 occurs vision, which this section of verses spoken by the gopis, which they conclude with this very pathetic outpouring of their hearts, where they're crying out, letting out the intense pressure and pain of separation from their heart with these three words of Prem Nam Sankirtan, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. So taking inspiration from Srimad Bhagavatam, then Bilvamangala Thakur penned his famous stotram, Govinda Damodar Stotram. The origin of that stotram is here in chapter 39 of the 10th canto.